Alright. Let's see, here we go. Here.
Well, hello there. I don't believe we've been properly introduced. I'm Bonzi. What is your name?
Oh god.
Nice to meet you, Winston. Since this is the first time we have met, I'd like to tell you a little about myself. I am your friend and Bonzibuddy. I have the ability to learn from you. The more we browse, search, and travel the internet together, the smarter I'll become. Not that I'm not already smart. Because the internet can feel like a jungle at times, I can help you find what you are looking for, and even make suggestions as to where we should go to find it. The more time we spend together, the closer we'll become. Think of me as your purple gorilla friend and traveling tour guide on the internet. When you have tasks or appointments, let me know and I will jot them down and remind you. I'm never late for an appointment. Am I rambling? Alrighty then, Winston, let's take a moment and fill out our automated registration card. This will make you an official registered user of Bonzibuddy. Simply enter or change your information on our automated registration card. When you've finished, simply click the Register Me button below. I will automatically register you and add you to my free software update list. I can even notify you when my updates are available. Okay, this will only take a second. Great, now you're an official registered user of Bonzibuddy. Hello again, Winston. How are things?
Good?
Hey, let me tell you.
Shut the fuck up. Oh god.
Winston, I can download any file for you. Simply click on the file or files in our download list, and then click on the download button. If you would like me to install or run a file after I've downloaded it, click on that file or files in the download list and then click on the run button. I will take care of it for you. Also, Winston, you can always continue to browse and enjoy the internet while I handle downloading. Just click my have fun button here for fun things to do while I download. We can browse, search, play games, or even listen to some cool tunes while we wait. This is one little gorilla that can handle the megabytes. Winston, if you need me to explain my download manager again at any time, just let me know by pressing the F1 key while on this screen. Winston, I've noticed that our download manager is not currently integrated with Internet Explorer. If you like, I can integrate the download manager now, so that I can automatically handle your internet downloads for you whenever you want to download files from the internet. Would you like for me to integrate the download manager with Internet Explorer now?
Sure, why not?
Okay, it's done. I will now automatically handle your internet downloads for you. Welcome to my calendar. I can help keep you on schedule. I can track all of your appointments, birthdays, and special events for you. I will even remind you when they are near. If you need help with my calendar, simply press the F1 key at any time. What would you like me to say? Type something into my speak screen and I'll be happy to say it for you. And remember, Winston, let's keep it clean.
Okay. Oh god.
Winston, I see we haven't yet subscribed to Bonzi World Services. If we were subscribed to Bonzi World Services, Winston, I would be able to notify you when your friends are online, and we could send and receive instant messages with them. Let's check it out.
Your website is blocked. Look. It doesn't show it anymore. What the fuck?